Are you selling a home and need a certificate of compliance for your smoke alarms? Hi, I'm Scott White from Glasshouse Home Safety. Think of us. We can come at short notice and do a full test on those alarms to make sure they do everything that they're meant to do. There's so many rules in that legislation, but we can check all of those aspects and make sure they're fully compliant so that you get a certificate for your conveyancer straight away. Oh, and we do something extra for you. As a seller, you've got to tick 2 boxes on the sale contract. One, smoke alarms, the other, safety switches. Because we're electricians as well, we can do a full test on your safety switches and include that for free in that test. So you got both boxes ticked and everything all signed off, everything you need for the conveyancer,